Oftentimes you'll have a piece of equipment that's rated for up to 250 volts, but all you have around are just regular household outlets. And you can't adapt between the two because of the wiring differences. So it sounds like a step up and step down converter would be the right thing to use, right? Wrong. Step up and step down converters don't really work that well. So the thing to remember is the household outlet is only 15 amps at 125 volts, making it 1,875 watts. Sure, you can use a step up, step down converter for regular household outlet to get 250 volts, but you're just going to get under 8 amps or so, which isn't really helpful for any 250 volt appliance. And that's often forgotten about because there's some math involved to this when you use a step up and step down converter. So the max wattage for a regular household outlet is 1,875 watts. That is 125 volts multiplied by 15 amps. When you make the voltage 250 volts with the transformer, the amperage will drop to about 7.5 amps. Power sources with 1,875 watts of operating power cannot put out anything more than that. It just is not possible. This goes for any power source. The output can never be greater than the input. So sure, now you have 250 volts, but most 250 volt appliances also have a higher amperage requirement. Most of these transformers also only allow for a short period of usage. There are warnings on these transformers that they can overheat or stop working after long usage. If you need to power something that is 250 volts, it is best to find a 250 volt outlet around or get one installed by an electrician. So if you have any additional questions about these step up and step down transformers, or if they're even worth the money or worth what you're trying to power, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, if you want to see more videos like this, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.